Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to use keywords to search for jobs on LinkedIn. So we're going to open our LinkedIn page and go to the search bar to search "We are hiring." So we're going to click on search to see a list of them. So we're going to filter by clicking on post and also filter by clicking on latest and search. So we're going to see a list of jobs that are hiring. Wherever you are, you can see it. So take your time to go through it and click on the one you're interested in. So let's take it further by adding "We are hiring" worldwide. So you're going to see a list of jobs that are hiring worldwide. So whatever area of jobs you're looking for, you would see it here. So let's take it further by adding "We are hiring UI UX designers." So for UI UX designers that are interested in looking for jobs on LinkedIn, you have to use this keyword and you'll see list of jobs that are hiring UI UX designers, whether you're a junior, whether you're a mid-level, whatever stage you are going to see jobs in that area. I hope you love this video. Thank you.